Let's talk about a conceal and carry license. Are there exceptions to where you can take your firearms? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about where you are prohibited from taking your firearms, even if you have the proper licensing. So I have this come up more often than I think most people would realize, where clients will get in trouble for trying to take their firearm to a place that they're not supposed to. You think, I've got my license, I've got the proper paperwork, I should be able to conceal carry, open carry, whatever. It shouldn't be a big deal, but it is in certain situations. The main ones being government buildings. So any sort of like city office, city hall, courthouses are obviously a no-go. There's some other ones that are a little less obvious, I guess you could say. One of them being casinos or places where gambling is held. You can take them there if you have permission of the property owner. That's the thing. You have to make sure that you get the permission of the property owner. The same thing for sports venues. So let's say we're in Tulsa. You know the owner of the Oilers, and they let you bring your gun on site. As long as it's cool with the. I think they play at the BOK Center, but as long as you have the permission of the property owner to be able to take your firearm onto the premises. That's what's crucial in those situations. But this doesn't just apply to the buildings themselves. It also applies to the parking lots outside of these buildings. It applies to the property adjacent to these buildings. It applies to any structures adjacent to these buildings. Like you can't exactly be building a gun shed next to the elementary school, that type of thing. So just be very, very aware of where you are as you are walking around, with your firearms. You have an absolute right to, Second Amendment right to bear arms. That's fine. This is just to kind of help explain to you when and how that right is able to be exercised, and when safety precautions and safety concerns will supersede it. The main ones being, of course, you can't take them into a government building, you can't take them into a courthouse, you can't take them into a school building, things like that. But if you have any questions about it, or if you're just kind of concerned about, okay, when and how can I actually have my firearm on me, absolutely give our office a call. I want to be able to sit down with you. I want to talk to you about when and how you can do this. And if you're facing charges for having a firearm in a place where you shouldn't, I really want to go over the facts of the case so we can talk about your defense. If you have questions about this, definitely let us know. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.